The United States Air Force USAF is renowned for its formidable fleet of fighter jets, each one a testament to the pinnacle of engineering and aeronautical excellence. In this video, we delve into the distinct capabilities and defining characteristics of the best fighter jets in the USAF's inventory. Number 1. The fastest in the skies, the McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle. At the forefront of the USAF's fighter jet fleet stands the legendary McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing F-15 Eagle, a true testament to the pinnacle of speed and power. With a top speed of Mach 2.5, the F-15 is the fastest aircraft in the USAF's inventory, outpacing even the vaunted F-22 Raptor, which tops out at Mach 2.2. Boasting a formidable range of 3,500 miles with external fuel tanks, the F-15 Eagle is a true long-range powerhouse capable of striking deep into enemy territory with its lethal arsenal of air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry. Number 2. The best dogfighter, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. While the F-15 Eagle may reign supreme in terms of raw speed, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor stands out as the undisputed champion of aerial combat maneuverability. Designed with a singular focus on air superiority, the F-22 Raptor is the USAF's premier dogfighter, capable of outmaneuvering and outclassing any adversary in one-on-one engagements. The F-22's advanced avionics, including its suite of next-generation stealth technology, give it a decisive edge in close-quarters aerial combat. Equipped with a formidable armament of AIM-120C/D air-to-air missile and AIM-9MX Sidewinder missiles, the Raptor can precisely target and eliminate enemy aircraft with unparalleled efficiency. Number 3. The most versatile, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. While the F-15 Eagle and the F-22 Raptor excel in their respective domains of speed and air superiority, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II stands out as the USAF's most versatile fighter jet. Designed to serve the needs of 3 different branches of the United States Armed Forces, the F-35 is the most technologically advanced fighter ever to enter service, capable of handling even the most demanding and complex missions. The F-35's integration of advanced avionics, sensors and communication system allows it to operate as a highly capable multi-role fighter, adept at air-to-air, air-to-ground and electronic warfare missions. Number 4. The formidable F-16 Fighting Falcon. Alongside the cutting-edge F-15, F-22 and F-35, the USAF's fighter jet arsenal also includes the venerable F-16 Fighting Falcon, a versatile and reliable workhorse that has served the force with distinction for decades. Renowned for its agility, speed and multi-role capabilities, the F-16 has proven its mettle in a wide range of combat operations, from air-to-air engagements to precision strike missions. Powered by a single General Electric F-110 after burning turbofan engine, the F-16 can reach top speeds of Mach 2, making it a formidable adversary in aerial combat. Number 5. The agile and resilient A-10 Thunderbolt II. While the USAF's fighter jet fleet is primarily focused on air superiority and multi-role capabilities, the service also boasts a unique asset in the form of the A-10 Thunderbolt II, a dedicated ground attack aircraft that has proven its worth time and again in close air support and battlefield interdiction missions. Designed with a rugged, heavily armored airframe and powered by 2 General Electric TF-34 turbofan engines, the A-10 Thunderbolt II is a true workhorse of the USAF, capable of absorbing significant damage and continuing its mission.